The available Silverado Driver Alert package includes 3 innovative crash warning features: forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and the safety alert seat, that are intended to help give the driver additional time to avoid a potential collision hazard. The systems utilize a windshield-mounted forward-looking camera combined with visual alerts and a choice of audible alerts or haptic seat alerts. Forward collision alert includes a tailgating alert feature as well. To activate this system, simply press the collision alert button on the left side of the steering wheel. The readout in the Driver Information Center, or DIC, will display the current system setting, either far, medium, near, or off. Press the collision alert button to scroll through to the desired setting. Far is the most sensitive setting and will provide an alert response for vehicles that are far forward of your vehicle, while near is less sensitive and will provide an alert only when you are closer to a vehicle in front of you. Off deactivates the system. The chosen setting will remain active until it is changed and affects the sensitivity of both the collision alert and tailgating alert features. The vehicle ahead indicator in the lower portion of the DIC will display green to indicate that the system is active and detects a vehicle ahead. When your vehicle approaches another vehicle too rapidly, the vehicle ahead indicator will turn amber. 6 red lights will flash on the windshield, and, depending on the alert chosen by the driver, either 8 beeps will sound from the front or both sides of the safety alert seat will pulse 5 times. Forward collision alert detects vehicles up to a distance of approximately 190 feet and operates at speeds above 25 miles per hour. If you are following the vehicle too closely, the tailgating alert feature will activate and the vehicle ahead indicator will display amber. No other alerts will activate. To activate lane departure warning, press the Lane Departure Warning button in the switch bank at the bottom of the center stack just below the climate controls. The Lane Departure Warning indicator, inside the speedometer display, glows green when the system is on and ready to operate. When the system determines that the vehicle is leaving its lane without using the turn signal, the indicator will change to amber. In addition, 3 beeps will sound from the left or right side, or the safety alert seat will pulse 3 times on the left or right side. The beeps or seat pulses will emanate from the driver's left if the vehicle is drifting to the left, and from the driver's right if the vehicle is drifting to the right. Lane departure warning is active at speeds of 35 miles per hour or more. You can choose whether these systems will emit audible alerts or vibrations in the safety alert seat. From the home page, use the menu knob or the touchscreen to select Settings and then Vehicle Settings. Select Collision Detection Systems, Alert Type. Then select either Beeps or Safety Alert Seat. This setting will affect both forward collision alert and lane departure warning, as well as parking assist if activated.